moment today for the parents and families of the passing out officer cadets and the directing staff of Officers Training Academy to see these learned men take the final step towards service of the nation. Let us now take our eyes to the parade ground where today's parade is soon going to form up. What you have just heard was the sound of markers call being given. This is the signal for the right markers, that is the company sergeant majors and company quartermaster havaldars to come and take their position on the inspection line. आपके सामने बाएं से दाहिने मार्कर इस प्रकार से कंपनी सार्जेंट मेजर कुणाल किशोर ऑफ बिहार एंड झारखंड डायरेक्टरेट, कंपनी सार्जेंट मेजर नीरज कुमार ऑफ पंजाब, हरियाणा, हिमाचल प्रदेश एंड चंडीगढ़ डायरेक्टरेट, कंपनी सार्जेंट मेजर किरण आनंदन ऑफ कर्नाटका एंड गोवा Directorate, Sanoj T of Kerala and Lakshadweep Directorate, CQMF Subrat Parke of West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate, CQMF Ravi Raj Adil of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh Directorate. That was the advance call. This is the signal for the parade, which at this moment is standing at the west end of Chunilal Parade Ground to start marching and report on the inspection line.
में मैदान पर उपस्थित यह सुडौल सुगठित अफसर कैडेट भारत के विभिन्न स्कूल, कॉलेज और विश्वविद्यालयों के सुयोग्य शिक्षक हैं। 35 साल की औसतन आयु होने के बावजूद यह अफसर कैडेट देश सेवा का अतिरिक्त उत्तरदायित्व लेने के लिए स्वेच्छा से तत्पर हैं। इस जिम्मेदारी को निभाने के लिए 90 दिन के कठिन परिश्रम के बाद आज यह अफसर कैडेट लेफ्टिनेंट अथवा थर्ड अफसर बनने जा रहे हैं। अपनी इस ट्रेनिंग के दौरान इनको शस्त्र प्रशिक्षण, ड्रिल, शारीरिक प्रशिक्षण और एनसीसी सेवा विषयों के बारे में विस्तार से जानकारी दी गई है।
In this charged and exciting environment, under a clear blue sky, these impressively turned out officer cadets standing before you are teachers and professors in schools, colleges and universities across India. In spite of the average age being 35 years, these officer cadets are fully prepared to shoulder the responsibility bestowed upon them. In order to enable themselves to become worthy of this responsibility, they have undergone 90 days of rigorous training at this academy. They are now going to be commissioned as lieutenant and third officer in National Cadet Corps.
राष्ट्रीय कैडेट कोर अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी भारत का एक अनूठा प्रशिक्षण संस्थान है, जहां स्कूलों, कॉलेजों एवं विश्वविद्यालय के शिक्षकों को सेना का कठोर प्रशिक्षण देकर राष्ट्रीय कैडेट कोर में एसोसिएट एनसीसी अधिकारी यानी ANO बनाया जाता है। इनके अगले प्रमोशन के लिए इसी अकादमी में साल में 3 रिफ्रेशर कोर्स चलाए जाते हैं।
The NCC OTA is India's unique training institution where teachers and professors from school and colleges are given rigorous military training and given commission as associate NCC officers or ANOs. For the next promotion, 3 refresher courses are run yearly in NCC OTA. After promotion, they are granted the rank of captain and second officer. Let us now introduce you to the parade which has turned out in front of you. On your extreme left, the first contingent of this parade is the number 1 platoon of Junior Division being commanded by 3rd Officer Nirmal Medwal of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh Directorate. Next to the number 1 platoon is the number 2 platoon of Junior Division being commanded by Junior Under Officer Balveer Kumar of Rajasthan Directorate. The 3rd platoon is of Senior Division being commanded by Lieutenant Vinod Kumar of Maharashtra Directorate. The number 4 platoon is of Senior Division and is being commanded by Junior Under Officer Deepak Yadav of Rajasthan Directorate. Next to the number 4 platoon is the number 5 platoon which is of Junior Division commanded by Junior Under Officer Gaurav Gupta of Delhi Directorate. The last platoon is the number 6 platoon of Junior Division being commanded by Junior Under Officer Roshan Rai of West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate. On your extreme right, the second in command of the parade is 3rd Officer. The commander of today's parade is Lieutenant Tejpal of Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana and Chandigarh Directorate. He has been awarded Young Scientific Poster Award by International Geographical Union. He was also thrice awarded Young Geographer Award. He has to his credit 19 papers published in national and international journals of repute. In the center of parade, towards the rear, in vibrant colorful attire, playing rousing martial tunes in the Grenadiers Regimental Center Band led by Subedar Major Abdul Khan. Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while from now, Brigadier S.S. Roy, Vishist Seva Medal, Deputy Commandant, National Cadet Corps Officers Training Academy Shanti will arrive amongst us and the parade will present them with the General Certificate. Brigadier Sergei Sensoi, Vishis Seva Medal, was commissioned in the Corps of Signal and is an officer of 1989 batch. In an illustrious career spanning 27 level R, he has commanded a wireless expert officer of Signal Regiment in Counter-Insurgency Force. His important staff tenures include: he has been GSO-1 planning at headquarters 10 Corps. He was Colonel General Staff Systems at headquarters Western Command. He was Colonel General Staff Info System at headquarters 14 Corps and was Chief Signal Officer at headquarters 3 Corps. The officer has performed exemplary well academically, and some of important courses of repute include: he is Bachelor of Engineering from Regional Engineering College, Vellore. He is qualified in Oracle and Developer course from Tata Infotech Education Limited. He has done Software Developer Lifecycle course from Rational University, United States of America in the year 2001. The officer has done Defense Service Staff course from Defense Service Staff College, Wellington, Tamil Nadu. Brigadier Sarojit Singh Soin has been awarded Vishis Seva Medal and Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card while serving in Army Headquarters, and was also awarded with GOC NC Commendation Card twice during his service. Ladies and gentlemen, Brigadier Sarojit Singh Soin. On the solemn occasion of this prestigious national institution, let us take a look at the rich history of the Academy. NCC office.
आतंकवादियों के साथ लड़ते हुए दिनांक 24 जून 2007 को सर्वोच्च सैन्य परंपराओं के साथ उन्होंने अपने जीवन का बलिदान दिया, जिसके लिए उन्हें मरणोपरांत अशोक चक्र से पुरस्कृत किया गया। राष्ट्रीय कैडेट कोर अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी को गर्व है कि यह दोनों बहादुर सैनिक हमारी अकादमी के प्रशिक्षक थे। ड्रिल स्क्वायर के सम्मुख स्थित शहीद की आवक्ष प्रतिमा सभी अफसर कैडेटों के लिए प्रेरणा स्रोत।
Named in honor of Major P. Shyam Sundar, Sena Medal, Post-Thomas. An officer of 10 Madras, he made district Jammu and Kashmir on 5th March 2006. The officer was part of instructional fraternity of the NCC OTA. The drill square of this academy is named after Naik Subedar Chunilal, Ashok Chakra, Veer Chakra, Sena Medal. He was decorated with 3 gallantry awards for being part of Hawk Meghdoot and counter-insurgency operations in Kupwara and Poonch. He achieved martyrdom while fighting infiltration terrorists, for which he was awarded with Ashok Chakra posthumously. NCC OTA is proud that this gallant soldier was a weapon training instructor posted in the academy. His burst serves as an inspiration to all the trainees of the Academy. In a short while from now, Major General Inderjeet Singh Hundal, Commandant, National Cadet Corps Officers Training Academy, will arrive amongst us and the parade will